This video will show you all the content that's included in our Learn to Code course. Our Learn to Code course is comprised of standard aligned lesson packs covering 4th through 8th grade, as well as getting started in teaching support resources to get you set up and ready to go. Our first stop will describe the starter lessons, which each introduce a core part of the course. Each have an accompanying mission journal for students to engage with the learning journey right from the first starter lesson. Setting the scene of the dynamic character Sam, students will be introduced to Sam Blockly, our online block-based coding platform. The next starter lesson gives students a grounding in the Sam Labs Bluetooth-enabled blocks and how to utilize them within Sam Blockly. In the third lesson, students will get hands-on with the BBC Microbit, a mini programmable computer used in the course. We also have several resources to help you get started with the Microbit, to help set up the Microbit with the required hex file. If you have a 3D printer, you can use our quick guide for 3D printing to create the Cyberscanner tool that our character Sam uses throughout the course. The Cyberscanner holds all of the Sam blocks and the Microbit. Finally, the last starter lesson is an overview surrounding computational thinking, including the 4 main components and examples of how this type of thinking helps us to problem solve. The lesson materials in the course include 10 lesson packs in each grade, spanning 4th to 8th grades. Within each pack, you have a lesson plan which outlines the knowledge and skills required to teach the lesson and cover the computer science concepts. Each lesson follows a learn, do, reflect structure. There are accompanying lesson slides which provide a visual guide through the lessons, enabling students to work through each program. The slides come in Google Slides, PDF, and PowerPoint format. The Mission Journal is a resource for students to evidence, consolidate, and extend their learning from each lesson, as well as develop digital literacy. The Student Step-by-Step breaks down each program visually for students, offering a support guide to building the program and facilitating independent learning. For upper elementary, we have provided a supporting resource to link to ELA, linking to each lesson, called the Cyberwire, a newspaper-style format for students to record tasks. Students are offered 3 differentiated activities, all linked by an ELA genre. These range from the developing opinion pieces to developing and writing instructions. There is a guide provided for suggested use of the Cyberwire and the relevant Common Core ELA objectives shown in the standard alignment maps. For support and planning and delivery of your lessons, there are standard alignment maps which detail the coverage of the CSTA K-12 computer science standards. Also, we have grade overviews which show the content, blocks used, and standard alignment lessons in each grade level at a glance, a medium-term planning document, which is a great reference tool giving an overview of the standard covered, the learning objectives, keywords, and final program code for the lessons in each grade. Additionally, the Learn to Code Glossary is a multifunctional resource to accompany lessons. Each key computing word and concept from the course is explained and given real-world application. Each entry also includes an interactive matching activity. Finally, to support assessment of the Student Mission Journal planning section, where students write pseudocode or complete a flowchart for their program, we have provided a pack of model answers. Please note that when viewing our content, it is advisable to have Adobe Reader on your computer, which is free to download. You can access the lesson content from our Content Hub on our website.